Many thanks for joining us on the newsroom on TV360 Nigeria. I am Annetta Felix. There are 24 new cases of the novel coronavirus in Nigeria. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, had announced 20 new cases of coronavirus at 9 p.m. Monday, March 30th. And then at 11:35 a.m. on Tuesday, March 31st, the health agency confirmed an additional 4 new cases of COVID-19 in Nigeria, 3 in Osun and 1 in Ogun. This brings the total number of coronavirus cases in Nigeria to 135 and 2 deaths. President Muhammadu Buhari has declared COVID-19 as a dangerous infectious disease on Tuesday as he signed the COVID-19 Regulations 2020. Special advisor to the president, Femi Adesina, said Buhari's action is in line with the powers conferred on him by Sections 2, 3 and 4 of the Quarantine Act and all other powers enabling him in that behalf. The COVID-19 Regulations 2020 gives legal backing to President Buhari's national broadcast of Sunday, March 29th. In the broadcast, Buhari had ordered the restriction of movement in Lagos, FCT and Ogun State to contain the spread of the coronavirus pandemic in the country. The regulations take effect from Monday, March 30th, 2020. Governor Udom Emmanuel of Akwa Ibom has signed the COVID-19 Regulations 2020. The new law covers the entire 32 local government areas of the state and is in view of the serious and imminent threat to public health by the COVID-19 pandemic. Emmanuel has now restricted the movement of persons and vehicles in Akwa Ibom to further prevent the spread of the disease in the state. He has also placed a ban on all public parks, shops, eateries, clubs, restaurants, markets and offices within the state, but granted waiver on those selling foodstuff, drugs and other essential commodities. Kano State Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje has caught the defaulters who defied stay-home directives to embark on journeys from Kaduna to Kano State. The defaulters were on separate trips in 9 different types of vehicles. They were all cited by the governor, who was in a convoy along the Kano border town. Ganduje has ordered for their immediate arrest and prosecution. Now, from Wednesday, April 1st, 2020, Nigerians may pay more for electricity, and that's according to an official at Ikeja Electric. Speaking to newsmen on Tuesday, an NERC official said that the firm had not received any directive from the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, NERC, to reverse the plan to increase electricity tariff on April 1st, 2020. The NERC had disclosed in its December 2019 review that the order to increase electricity tariff was issued to reflect the impact of key changes in the power sector. The UK government has pledged up to £75 million to repatriate stranded UK citizens from Nigeria. The British mission in Nigeria says it is already receiving expression of interest from its nationals in Nigeria who want to return to the UK, but priority would be given to citizens on short-term visits outside the UK, those with underlying health conditions, and airports in Nigeria are closed to international flights. But British High Commissioner to Nigeria, Katrina Liang, says that the mission is working intensively at evacuation flights. And in sport, Italy's football union AAIC and Serie A clubs have postponed talks set for Monday regarding salary cuts and the future of the suspended season. The union added that Italian Football Federation, FIGC, the leagues and international bodies will continue to discuss how to find and allocate resources in the coming weeks. And that's it on the newsroom on TV360 Nigeria. I am Annetta Felix. Thanks for watching.